on Dom's back to Manavgat Bazaar after a lovely day outside, a sea day, sorry. Lovely air-conditioned Dom is starting to cool off now, and hopefully we'll make our way towards Manavgat Bazaar soon. So this is what Domus looks like. It's a bit smaller than what the average bus might look like. It's a bit like a minibus, and it's lovely air conditioned.
It's not air conditioning, it's the windows, right?
Okay, so maybe it's not air conditioning, it's just the windows giving us a breeze, allowing me to cool off a bit. Also in the shade, so yeah, enjoying it. Just got off the bus. Time to try and find this bazaar. I think it's that way, I'm not sure. Yeah. This is it, Manavgat Bazaar. Head in, have a look. This is a huge bazaar. Shoes. Generally, the lower prices are found inside, a bit like even further in, so let's head into this. Caps going up here. I haven't got any prices for the caps. So no, Adidas. Look at some Adidas ones. What else have we got? Nike Max. Okay, those look a bit damaged. What else? Don't really like the look of some of these. Maybe I'm looking for something a bit more plain. Maybe one logo on it. What do you think? Look alright? How much for this one?
Oh, look at this, normal 15.
15? Oh,
13, no. Okay. Yeah, 10 euro is here. This 10 euro, but this good quality. 10 euro here.
These 10 euro.
Yeah, this is 10 euro.
Oh, it's too much.
Too much, right?
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Done.
Put it back. Okay. Carry on. Had a bit of camera issue there.
Die lopen, vind ik dat wel goed, hoor.
Ja, ja.
Thank you.
Ja.
Munt?
Oh, ja. Thank you.
Bigger thing, bigger lens.
Eszembe jutott, hogy vannak köztük. Vagy sem esek.
They drew you, man.
Maybe not then.
Sorra. Én azt nézem, hogy mennyit ezek a szemüvegek.
Is that one wrong?
Tehát meg kell kérdezni.
Nagyon parasztok ennek. Mondja.
De ezek ebben élnek, hogy ekkora parasztok.
De engem hagyjon békén, majd kell valami úgy hiszem,
These are a bit different to the ones I've already got.
Mutat.
De nem biztos, hogy ez
Menjél, mert neki
azok,
betegek.
hogy jó hátul.
I'll get back to you when we're haggling. Bit strange. Some very fancy glasses here. This one like.
Can I help?
It's fine. Look at it. Here you go.
That's micro material.
Ah, okay. I see.
It's a bit now.
Yeah.
And make
Yeah.
little smaller, best size.
Yeah. So just adjust it a little bit. Yeah. Got it.
Can I help?
Okay. Thank you.
You like this one or other models? Maybe Jordan.
This one's alright.
Okay.
Come on, do good price for both.
700.
Come on, brother. Come on.
What do you think,
You tell me good price.
sister?
Come on, brother.
Give me 600. 600. Give me 6. 6. Business is business.
200.
Ah,
Come on, come on.
that's too less, yeah. How much say he?
Too much. The other one.
It's too much, but
How much he say? My
brother.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Which one do you use?
5 Ramadan, egal, alle. 5 euro.
Bye.
Lira.
Lira, 150.
What about this one?
Yeah, 150. Yeah,
Do
150.
better price. Two.
300 lira ya. 2 Stück.
Do good price. 300.
300 lira.
I'll give you 200.
250 okay al.
No, no, two.
250.
Two. Say hi, YouTube.
YouTube.
Hi my friends.
Merhaba.
Merhaba from Turkey.
Thank you very much.
Habibi, come to Turkey.
Yeah, happy bee. Say hi.
Hi to YouTube.
What's your name?
Yunus Emre.
Thank you. How much this one?
10 euro.
10 euro.
Good price.
8 euro okay for it. 8.
What about lira? Lira.
250.
250 lira.
Yes.
We only came to Manavgat Bazaar for a quick look around to understand some of the prices and stuff around here. We were particularly looking for things like caps and sunglasses. I could have done with a new cap, so that's why I was looking for it. I did look on the official Nike website whilst chilling out the hotel and found a nice cap I liked at 499 lira, which is around 17.5 euros. As you saw here, these guys were selling from 15 euros to around 5 euros. There was perhaps some quality difference between the 15 euros and the 5 euros, but they were all substandard to the original one. These copies were nowhere near the quality of the original one, so I felt like this money would have been better spent being put towards the original one itself. Anyway, that was a quick stop off at Manavgat Bazaar. Now we need to find a bus stop and catch the bus back to a Kulchudar Wakana our hotel. Okay, on the bus at the Ottergaard bus stop, and hopefully start moving towards the Kulchudar hotel. Journey's nearly over. I'm absolutely knackered after today. One thing that was good about this bazaar was that it was really fun talking to these guys. None of them were aggressive, they're all really friendly. Let's see how this compares to the Friday market, which we'll see later on in the series. If we decide to do paragliding, we might be jumping off one of those. Should be fun. Made it to the hotel now. Oh, that AC feels good. Gonna have to have a shower to get all of the sweat off me and chill out.